This meeting is called to order. It is 5:31 PM on Monday, June the 1st, 2026. I'm Catherine Suarez. I'm the chairwoman of the Animal Welfare Board here in Eagle Pass, having our regular meeting this evening, located at the council chambers at City Hall, 100 South Monroe Street here in Eagle Pass. First order of business is roll call.
I'm sorry, Ms. Catherine.
Yes, ma'am.
But we start with citizens' communications.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, absolutely. Okay.
We don't have any.
None this evening.
All right.
Okay. Okay. So we'll move forward then, and we will do roll call. Okay. And I will call out the names of everyone that is here this evening, and you're going to say aye if you are. Myself, aye. Ms. Kina Mancha?
Aye.
Dr. Mariana Ordonez?
Aye.
Captain Alex Barrientos?
Aye.
And Ruben Camarillo?
Aye.
Perfect. Second order of business will be our approval of the minutes. If everyone received those minutes, we will now consider approval of the minutes from the May 4th, 2026 meeting. There are minor changes that I had seen, and I did direct those with Miss Brenda, and we'll make her aware of those after the meeting. Are there any additional corrections to the minutes from last meeting, May 4th? If there are no corrections, the chair will entertain a motion to approve the minutes as corrected. Would someone like to make a motion to approve the minutes from the May 4th meeting?
I have a question. You said as corrected, what did you correct?
What I corrected, they were minor changes. It was my name is spelt wrong.
Okay.
It was the fact that, what was the other one? The fact that it was appointed versus nominated. So I wanted to change to nominated versus appointed myself. So that was another small correction. The other one was the fact that, chairwoman was spelt wrong. So these are very minor. And so these are the ones that I was bringing to Brenda before the meeting. Can you see where it says that?
Okay.
Okay. Is there any other corrections for the May 4th meeting?
I have one.
Yes, sir.
Also, same minor. My name is spelled with a Y.
Okay.
Okay, so noted.
And that's it for me.
So can we make a motion to approve? Did you have something,
No,
Mr. Badia?
I was
Okay,
gonna-
that's okay.
Second.
Okay, so you're making a motion?
Making a motion to approve.
Okay, do we have a second?
Second.
Okay, all in favor, say aye.
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 And the minutes from May 4th, 2026 pass. We also have the next order of business will be the amendments to Chapter 6, the Code of Ordinances, 6.1, 6.2, 6.3. Mr. Barrientos, if I can refer to you for this portion.
Yes, so as the supporting material for the agenda for section 6-3, subsection B9, the current language does state, the board may accept and review citizen complaints or concerns related to animal care and control within the community, and recommend corrective measures or policy changes when necessary. The recommended revision, as per the Wellness Board, is the board may receive and consider citizen concerns related to animal welfare and animal control services within the community, and may recommend policy improvements or community initiatives to the city council when appropriate. The purpose of the recommendation is this recommendation is meant to better explain the board's advisory role and keep the wording consistent with the ordinance. The updated language still supports transparency, public input, and community involvement, while also making it clear that the board does not have investigative, disciplinary, or supervisory authority, as submitted by Chairperson Catherine Suarez.
I'll allow discussion.
This is all that we're revising today? Or is there anything else?
As far as part of the agenda, this is the only one that was submitted.
Okay.
Can you repeat that again? For, it would be for,
So this is for section 6-3, subsection B9.
Do you have a copy of it? I have one if you'd like it.
the revision, yes.
Okay. The current language and then the recommended revision.
Go with mine. Oh, you got yours.
Here it is, okay. All right, let me read it again.
Ms. Brenda,
Yes, ma'am.
the recommendation, if it's so passed, would then go where?
I'm sorry?
In order for it to be changed,
Mhm.
where would the recommendation go from here?
We will take it to the board.
Okay. It would go to the board if it's so recognized as wanting to be changed.
So I had a question. So throughout the course of the gap from the month-to-month meetings, are we all submitting these recommendations, or is it just the chair that submits the recommendations?
You can recommend anything. It goes to Mr. Barrientos,
Okay.
and then Mr. Barrientos and myself decide what goes actually on the agenda for the month.
Right.
But it's whatever you feel you would like to discuss, because it has to stay within the agenda. We can't go outside that agenda for the month.
Of course.
Okay, so if we want to put something on the agenda, we go through to Officer Barrientos.
I guess
Assistant Chief,
No,
or through
Captain.
you.
Captain.
Captain, sorry, I'm looking at Assistant Chief Garza, sorry, sir.
Do
Yes,
you
so-
Okay,
have
so we
the
go to
emails
Mr.
for everyone? Does everyone have the emails?
We go through you for the agenda?
just the confusion was,
It gets submitted to me
at
and to
least
the
for me, I
chairperson so
thought
that
that
we
we were
can
gonna
get
be
together
sitting
and
here
submit it.
reading and kind of
Okay.
picking through it. That was my impression, and so now I get it, and so.
That was my,
next
that
time
was,
we'll submit.
that was my assumption as well.
Gotcha.
So I thought that that's what we were waiting for, was another meeting to actually discuss whatever,
The process.
yeah, the process.
That's
Yeah.
Yes.
what we thought as well, because I know that Sandy had asked about getting an input form for the shelter, so the dogs can be easier adopted, like approximate age, approximate weight, stuff that they might see. And I know that the chairperson said, we'll take it to the committee. The committee has nothing to do with it, has to go to the board. So that, she wanted that on the agenda. And so she asked me to ask, how can she put that on the agenda so that we can discuss that?
Okay.
Yeah, I felt like I loafed around for the past month, so, I mean, if I would've
She can
known.
send an email to myself or to the chairperson, that
Okay.
way we can
Mhm.
place it onto the.
Okay.
And we'll make
Okay.
sure it gets to the right, yes, it is a process and we're all learning. I myself learned this month, I sat with Miss Erica to learn some things myself.
I thought you were gonna call me so we could get together and, because I was waiting for your call, because you said yes. You told me that we would get together so we can discuss the process and, you know.
I sat with Miss Erica, I called her, and she scheduled me in for like an hour at her office, and I believe she's going to call you as well. She said she was, because the both of us obviously need to know. But that was all I knew, because I asked her if she was going to speak with you. So I think it's just some miscommunication we have to kind of fine tune. But I would prefer not to teach you, because I'm just learning myself. She's the one that really knows the process, and
no,
I'm learning. It's a learning process.
The thing is right now, like Mr. Camarillo said, and, you know, like the doctor said, we didn't know what was, you know, about this record, the changes, what have you. When they said that they were gonna, we got the email saying that they were gonna do these changes, I didn't know exactly what was going on. That's why I had said, you know, let's get together more than once a month so we can actually know, talk about what it is, and then, because the changes are good, but, it's kind of, for me, I feel like it kind of just thrown on there because I didn't get a chance to review what was going on. I
Okay.
had no idea what was going on. And the first meeting, I know the chairperson said that you were gonna tell Ms. Erica, or I think the chief or somebody, for you and I to get together so we can work at the procedures, and that's what I had asked, if we could have a meeting every 2 weeks, or we could first start with the procedures and then go with whatever it was that we needed to change or do or what have you, so we could all be on the same page, because right now I feel like you knew what was going on, but I think, Doctor, did you know, or?
I mean, I thought we were gonna go through all the sections, but as far as this one change, I do like the rewording of it, and like my opinion, like I said, we just didn't know, it's my first time being on one of these, boards, and so I just thought we were gonna be able to do more than that. Obviously, we have to do the right process, put it on the agenda and everything.
Correct.
But as far as this change goes, I like it, and I guess my question is, how do we go about approving it or not approving it, or all that, just, taking it a step at a time?
Okay, from my understanding, we're an advisory committee, so we literally can't make any changes. What we do is advise. So today, I said, hey, I would like to change this portion, but we won't change it. We are going to say, yes, we agree with her, and, we like the change. Now, it goes from here, it goes
To the
up.
Council.
And then city council approves it, and from there, because I think we thought maybe the lawyer was gonna sit with us today as well, but I guess she couldn't join us for, for whatever reasons. And we were gonna go over 6.1, 6.2, and 6.3. So, I'm thinking next time we're picking parts of this, am I right,
From understanding.
officer? Yeah, it's gonna be portions of it, so the next 3 portions, I believe, will be for the next time. But I'm gonna get a hold of Erica, and I'll go back in with you, because I can learn and learn and learn as this goes on. So I could hear the same thing over again, and I can teach you what I know that I've taught myself, basically. But we'll go back in. I thought she was going to call you, so I'm sorry. You see, what I think is Miss Brenda took over for her. So Miss Erica had me in, but Miss Erica isn't in charge of us anymore. It's Miss Brenda,
Yes.
right?
This-
So that was yeah.
Okay, but it's not just me, but I think everybody should know exactly what we're going to be doing or what we're going to be looking at, because I like you said, I like the recommendation. I just didn't know that, we were gonna change anything right now, or come on, because my understanding was we're gonna go over 6.1, 6.2, 6.3, that's it. I didn't know that we were gonna be changing anything, or that we could change anything, or, because it was kind of just thrown at us, and that's something that I don't want it to happen again. If something's gonna happen, at least we know what we're walking into, basically.
Yes, understandable,
I'm gonna
understandable.
bank off of Judge Bonshot here. I think I highlighted this on the first meeting, that we need to establish some sort of effective communication, so that way, when it is time to issue out the agenda, or when it's time to meet, we'll be a little more effective on that. And so I know that we can't gather as a quorum or anything unofficially. I know that's against the rules or against ordinance, but at least, you know, at least everybody has a clear idea of what's going to happen at the meeting. I'm in the same boat. I saw the agenda. Okay, we're going over 6.1, 6.2, and 6.3. Okay, there's really nothing else to talk about. We're going to discuss all that here, but apparently it's just only a few things, and I think that's a huge. I don't want to say waste of time, but I think we could definitely review
It's
and
just a misunderstanding.
yeah, it was a misunderstanding. Yeah,
Yes,
sorry.
If
I
we
didn't mean
would
to
have,
say that.
if we would have known, you know, if you have anything to change, anything you want to do it and send it in, perfect.
May
But
I say
we
that
didn't.
no one asked me to do this. I did this on my own. I went over 6.1, 6.2, and 6.3, and based on what I saw, I said, I don't know about that wording, because we're an advisory committee.
We went over it, well, I know, I went over it too, but I did not realize that, I thought, like Mr. Cabrillo said, we were gonna do it here, not
Yeah, it's
send it in and, you know, what are your thoughts? Because I guess it wasn't explained, they explained to you, because they called you in, it wasn't explained to us.
yeah, it's not
Okay.
it's not an individual
And
effort.
so, yeah,
So-
exactly, it's not an individual, so now we know when they tell us we're gonna do 6.4, 6.5, 6, we know that if we wanna change anything, we'll send it in to Officer Barrientos and Lieutenant.
Captain.
Captain, I'll get it soon enough. Captain Barrientos, and, we can do that, but I didn't know that we were going to do that. All I knew was we're gonna come to the meeting and review these. You knew that, you know, if we wanted to change, we could do that. We didn't know that.
Yes, no, I understand, and I apologize for any confusion that may have occurred, but I think it's just a learning process that we're going through right now. There's a lot of parliamentary procedures that a lot of us aren't, you know, with Robert's rules, it just puts us in a different category. It's not just us opening, discussing, hey, how are you doing? Everything has a reason why. And so, like I said, I'm learning myself, so I called Erica and said, hey, Erica, can I come in? Because I knew I was going to chair this meeting, and, well, I wanted to do it correctly. So she gave me some pointers and stuff that she knew. The rest I studied. The rest, I literally went home and looked up things myself, because even though I'm vice chair of STAC, I've never been on a city committee, so this is my first one. So I realize this is a whole different ballgame, and, you know, it has to be done correctly. Like you said, we can't gather, we can't have communication through WhatsApp or, you know, texting, so things are different that we have to follow. So somewhere along the line, the ball was dropped, and I apologize for that if it's me, because I am chair, so ultimately, it's always my fault, okay, which I accept. But I will make sure that everyone needs to be on board now. So what we're gonna do is I will talk to, I guess, Brenda, right? And maybe you can hold a little class, a little informal class, instead of bringing us in one at a time.
Well,
She-
I thought that what the workshop was gonna be for.
Miss Erica had mentioned that, and then I was never called. So I called her, because I knew I was gonna chair, and I got, you know, of course, I was like, okay, we're getting close, I need to know what's going on, so. And then I did ask her if she was gonna bring everybody in, and I think she wanted to, but at some point, Miss Brenda took over, and so now that there's a change of command, that's probably where the ball was dropped.
If we can get maybe, ma'am, a workshop with the whole board,
Yeah.
so we know exactly what, you know, we can and cannot do the procedures. I mean, I studied them as well, but like I said, I didn't know that we could make any changes or anything here, or that it was gonna be, you know, kinda like, I'm gonna revise this, which is fine, the language is good, but at least one, so everybody knows
Yes.
what we're doing.
I was
And
wondering
that's
why
I
there
had
wasn't
asked.
anything, I was wondering why there wasn't any suggestions. I thought somebody's gonna give something, when y'all didn't, I thought that's odd. So now I know why, it's because no one really knew the process, so, like I said, ultimately, it's my fault. I'm in charge, so whoever's in charge, it's their fault.
Yes,
So,
but, I mean,
yes.
I understand, but when you did tell me, I'm gonna call you so we can get together, so I was waiting for your call.
I'm sorry.
And I'm sure everybody was waiting for the same thing, so if we can
Yes.
just have, before the next official
Yes.
meeting, if we can have a workshop,
I can talk to Miss Erica, and then we can give you a call back, so that way we can, set.
And I'll come back. I'll take it again.
I will
Yes.
speak to Miss Erica about it, and
Yes.
then we'll give you more details. on
Yes,
it.
Okay,
I think
so
that's a great
so we-
idea.
Like I said, before the meeting, if we can have a workshop,
Yes,
so that way exactly everybody knows, you know, Captain Marrenta, I got it, Captain
There we
Marrenta. Let me know that, you know, if we want something, we email him to be
Yes.
put on the agenda, because what Sandy had come up with was great idea. Because
Yes,
our,
I agree.
our goal is, you know, to get the dog adopted,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
And if we have, if, when they're taking in the dogs, if they have this form filling out, at that time, they don't have to go back and say, okay, who's this one, let me get this information, they already have it. And so we call, you know, you have any dogs that are adoptable? Yes, we have 10, this is the list, this is their trait, this is, you know, their temperament, this is what we have. And so that way it's less work for the employees, because they're doing an amazing job.
They are.
They are, and
They are.
I see dogs adopted left and right.
Yes.
And if we can help them a little bit more and make it easier for them, which would be great.
Well, it's,
So I'll
yeah.
have her, because she knows exactly what she wants, I'll have her email you, Captain, so that way you can put it on the agenda.
Okay, sounds good. Yeah, 'cause from understanding, anything that needs to be put on agenda, I know we can't speak about it prior or meet for it, but it can go through email.
Perfect.
Yes, yes, because the rescues are requiring it. That's the thing. They want that information. They want the weight, the, you know, temperament, like she said, because they're trying to place them. And I know Sandy works with a lot of rescues, and that's a lot of what they want. I did discuss it with Sandy as far as that goes, but anyway, yes, I think that it's hard because we're here tonight and we want to utilize our time to the best of that we can. And I think we're all just learning, and it's a learning curve. So tonight we figured that out, and I'm on it with you. Don't think that I'm in here as an expert. This is a script, okay? I'm gonna tell, yes, everyone out there. I mean, because we're just learning. I mean, you know, Robert's rules, there's a lot of them. There's a lot of Robert's rules. There is. So, yeah, I just think I think a workshop would be awesome for all of us again. And understand how we can email each other. You know, there's BCC and
Well, we
CC and,
email the captain, and then they will meet.
Yes.
We cannot email each other.
right.
We have to email the captain,
Yes.
for that, and then he'll let everybody else know. So you're the fountain of information, you know, you get everything.
We're
and then-
filtering it through
Email
you.
me and we'll put it on the agenda, and I'll concur with the chairperson
Yes.
as well.
Yeah.
Okay,
Captain.
now let me ask you, is there
Yes.
like a certain day in specific or a week, or, so that way I can give Miss Erica
Right.
kind of like
For
a,
the workshop,
yes.
if we can do it maybe in 15, the middle, right before Father's Day, because after Father's Day, everybody has things to do, like that Monday before or Wednesday before Father's Day, because if we do it any closer, everybody will be doing, you know, stuff.
I don't think maybe a Monday or a Tuesday would work, because they have their city council meetings and they
Okay,
have
or
their,
a Wednesday then?
but maybe a Wednesday will be,
I know we give everybody ample time.
yes.
I think
so
that would be
that's-
like 2 weeks or so to make arrangements
That way I
to
can
come.
kind of like get to see her schedule, and so that way, we can accommodate. a
Whoever can
day
come,
and-
great, and if they can't, pues también. And that way, you know, we are just given the opportunity of what's,
Okay.
how to do this and how it's going on. And we
Okay.
won't be blindsided anymore.
I think the 17th is a good day if it works out for everybody.
That's a Wednesday, right? Is that Wednesday?
Wednesday,
Okay.
At what time, Captain, more or less? In the afternoon, in the morning?
whatever works for everyone.
Okay,
It would have to be afternoon for me.
Same, I would say.
Or 17th, right?
17th, I guess we'll go on the recommendation of what the availability she has for that, for the afternoon. And then we'll see. I do agree a workshop would really work out.
it's in the minutes, so I thought it was something that we were gonna do, because it is in the minutes, right?
Yeah, yeah, it is.
So back to the amendment for the 6.3B9. Is there any more discussion we'd like to have on that? How do we feel about that?
I'm sorry, I'm trying to like slowly get what the change of wording is here. Okay. And we receive these complaints through citizens communication, right? Or,
Well, as a complaints could be people coming in to verbally,
okay,
as a citizen, come in and have a complaint or request or statement.
Okay.
And since we are not allowed or, not permitted to actually literally do anything, to make changes, we are advisory. And so I was just making the clarity so that if someone thought if they came in here, we were the ones that would make that change, they understand that, because all of these are viewable by anyone. Anyone can go in and look at the ordinances, they're all there. And so what I wanted to do was try and make them give it more clarity so that the average person could go in, because a lot of people don't understand the jargon of, some of it. And so making it more clarity that, if I go there and I make a statement, I know that they have to take it up to the next level. They're an advisory committee. I'm not going to go in there and expect them to make that change. So that was what I was trying to clarify, that.
Okay, so if someone comes up to me and says, "Hey, Mr. Camarillo, I don't like what your policies are," who do I refer them to? Police department or city secretary?
I would say so, to bring it up into the community.
Okay, cool.
Is there any way we could maybe come up with a process or a step that can be put out for the community? Like if you do have a complaint, you do have something, you do this, do this, and this. 'Cause a lot of
Yes,
people
there is.
don't know, and comprovendo is what everybody talks to. So if we can have something where they
Unfortunately.
follow, or where they, something they can go to, something, if we have to follow a process, then have the community as well follow some type of process, if it's possible, si no, pues.
If there's any formal complaints, we usually do get them at the police department. But if there's any complaints that come into regarding to the board, I'm not sure that they have to go through citizen communications or what.
As far as the revision goes, I agree that, the main point is trying to make it clear that we are not ultimately responsible for these policy changes. We are the ones that are trying to facilitate the communication between the community and city council. And so then, and to me, the change that sticks out the most is the mention of we're taking this to city council when it's appropriate. It's not just on us. We can't just make these changes, so I agree with the revision.
Okay. Any other discussion on this? Again, this is just a recommendation. It will not change based on our okaying this. It's just saying that from this point, it will go to city council, and I'm sure that our lawyer will also have a look at it and make sure that it's okay, and then it would be approved. So it's a process, okay?
I just have one question. Are we
Yes,
gonna
ma'am.
give it to city council one at a time, or are we gonna go through the whole thing and then say, okay, these are the recommendations? If we do one at a time, pues pobrecitos, they have a lot of stuff to do, to be looking at. So maybe we can, go through all of it. Once we decide these are the revisions we want, then give it to city council. I don't know, an opinion, I don't
Kill
know.
two birds with one stone.
Who's gonna talk?
Did you want to say something?
From my understanding, any changes that are gonna go through the ordinances, they need to be reviewed by legal and then presented to council.
Pero one at a time or all together? Because I would prefer all together.
I believe they were breaking them down into sections, and that's why it was 1, 2, and 3 today. And then the next 3 sections, am I right on that, Captain? We're
Correct.
going to be the next meeting, so it is going to be a slow process. It's not going to be, we're going to see them all, and yeah, as
Chap-
far as I'm understanding, it's in portions.
Chapter 6 it's a large chapter, to have everything and to keep the agenda tidy within the time frame, and not deviate from several things, so it was best to go through
Okay, no,
through sections.
I guess I didn't explain myself correctly. I love it that we're, because I said let's do it in sections. My question is, are we gonna, do it, give it to legal approves it, whatever, give it to the council, one section at a time as we go, or all together?
Whatever this board decides. Whatever this board decides. Right now, all we have is just this.
That one.
Just that
Yes.
one.
Okay, well, can we say now, or we put it in the agenda?
What's that? Okay.
Sorry, because I had a tooth taken out, so I'm kinda.
No worries.
Do we do it now, decide, or do we put it on the agenda to vote on how we're gonna do it?
You vote for it right now because it's presented right now on this agenda. Now, on the following agenda, if you guys go over another section, then it gets presented and it gets voted
Okay,
within
no,
that type
no,
of the agenda.
that's not what
No,
I'm
I think
asking.
what she's trying to say is, can
Wait.
we vote on presenting the whole chapter 6 as a whole, like today?
The
and
way,
say-
the way we present it to the city council, do we do, that's what I'm asking, not the sections that we do it, because I wanted to do in sections. My question is, are we going to present the changes one at a time to to the city council? Or are the changes that we make once we're done with
Oh,
reviewing everything?
you're saying hold the ones back, and then as we get, if there's any more, then take that portion from this Chapter 6 ordinance and take them all at the same time? Is
Yes.
that what you're asking?
That's why are we gonna vote to present to the council one at a time as they come up, or all together? That's what I'm, not the sections that we're looking at, but how we're gonna present it to the city council.
Well, it all depends if you guys are going to be, how long is it going to take you all to read the whole chapter?
That's why I'm asking.
Yeah, because every month doing
One
little
at a
bits
time.
bits and pieces one at a time, that's gonna take like forever. So
Well,
like,
I mean, I think, for example, like one today, and then if we have to, which I would like to go back into these sections to make sure that we revise everything appropriately. But I guess in my opinion, if we have a few revisions every single month and they get approved every single month, we're at least making progress versus compiling them all up, and then finishing the chapter, and then it may be months before we get anything
Done.
changed. And so I guess going back to my opinion, if I can do a little bit of work at a time and just kind of get things out of the way, it's better than having all this stack of papers at the very end of several months and having to do it. And then we're upset because all these revisions, we've already submitted them, and it's taken weeks for them and they haven't approved.
But that's why I'm asking, how are we gonna do it?
Yes,
That's the
yes,
only-
I-
the only
Probably
reason
go
that
up,
we're
it'll
gonna-
go up a portion at a time when they meet. Whatever we decide on today will go to them. They'll include it on their agenda for the next meeting. And then in the meantime, we'll have another meeting and have another portion that if you want to recommend, or you or myself or doctor, again, or whoever is here with us, that portion will go to the meeting and so on and so forth until we're done with the ordinance.
Before we make this recommendation, like the doctor said, if we can, definitely do the next section, right? But leave this open so that we can go back and read, and if there's anything that we say, that we think, you know what, maybe this should be, and we can make the recommendation. If not, you know, it's great. And then after, the second meeting, we can do it every section. So that way, we all have the same thought, the same ability, at the same time, to be able and look at the 1.6, 1.2, 1.3, like all of them, and not just here, we're gonna change this, because like I said, we thought.
you say we
would
should,
do it here.
you saying we should table this one today?
I was going to say,
Not-
should we?
Yes. We should
table this
it
one?
until next month.
You
And
guys
table
can
it.
table
Yes.
Yes, so that we all have the opportunity to look through all of them. Like you said, if there's anything that we want to change, we'll change it, because if we close it, we can't change anything anymore.
Right, of this particular one
Yes.
only,
Yeah,
though.
Since
Yes.
we all didn't get a
Yes,
chance
right,
to.
right.
It's just this particular one. The other ones can stay open.
Sections 1, 2, and 3.
Right. 1, 2, and 3 are still open. It's just this particular sentence. However, I agree, if you want to table it and literally go back and read this yourself, and perhaps you'd like to
No,
add or,
it's
you
like-
know.
More than likely, it's gonna stay like that, but I would want to go through everything that
Mm-hmm.
we were told to go through. And if there's anything we want to change, then we can change it and just add this to the change.
Yes,
That way we can have at least every section covered instead of just one.
correct. I understand. Can we,
it. Yes, you can
Table
go ahead
that?
and table it.
okay, we're going to go ahead and table this till the next meeting.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm gonna make a motion,
We
right?
just need to do the motions,
Oh.
yes.
I'll make a motion to table this.
Okay, we have a second?
I second.
Everybody in favor?
Aye.
And we're going to table this until next meeting. Okay, is there any other, I believe the only other thing we are going to do is adjourn. I can't think of anything, I think we're right there.
So just to clarify, on.
Yes, Doctor.
Next meeting's agenda, we'll go ahead and repeat.
I believe we probably should go back,
6.1,
start again, and start on 6.1, 6.2, 6.3, and that way everyone can start at the same level. Let them go back and start again, if we're allowed to do that. and that way everybody can go back and take a look at those 3 sections and with a
Well-
different eye.
We have a month, so I think we can do 6-1, 6-2, 6-3, go over it, and then whatever ones you have.
So, 6-1 is the purpose, 6-2 is enforcement, and 6-3 is basically the board. So if you want to go over that, but still go over so that we can make some progress, 'cause I know a month
Okay.
is a good time to
Yes.
kind of go over
We can go, and
basically
then
6-3
the next 3
is
that you
the
have.
largest one.
Sure,
and then
yes,
also do the next
absolutely.
3.
That sounds good.
6-4 is the definitions, that's gonna be, that's gonna take some time, so.
Yes, so we can do, like, just add this on, and whatever you had planned for the next meeting, we'll do that.
Continue with it, okay.
And just, we go back, and whoever wants to look at them can go
You
back,
can do a
whoever
recap.
doesn't.
Do we need a motion for that?
No, it's just, because the item has already been tabled,
Okay, all right, very good.
just the usual.
Really quick, Captain, how far in advance can we get an agenda? And can it be closer or earlier on this
It
month?
has to
or
be
can it
posted.
Sooner the better, so we can,
72 hours before
Yeah,
the
we can do about a
meeting.
week. A week
So,
in advance.
yeah,
are we gonna do,
And from now on until the agenda's posted about a week before, is a good time to kind of read and see what needs to be put on the actual agenda.
Okay, and then we'll just email you and we'll
Yeah,
get
email me
the,
and then I'll concur with the chairperson, and then we'll put on the agenda, prepare it, and then it'll be sent out in the link the same as the previous.
perfect.
sounds
So-
good.
So, more or less, we're gonna be going down the list, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. That way I won't go to the back and we'll just go down the list.
was
sir.
everyone able to access the minutes and the agenda in your email this time, so you had it prior?
Yeah.
Yes, Doctor?
I got Captain's
Yes,
email.
good, okay, perfect. All right, well, if there's no further business, the chair will entertain a motion to adjourn.
Second. Okay.
Okay,
Motion to adjourn?
all in favor?
Aye.
Okay, the motion carries, this meeting is adjourned.